With a common denominator.
And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. You the man.
Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Yeah. Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
Hey, good afternoon. What's up, Zimmy? Big House. Hopefully our notifications went out. Once again, I want to get on here live anyway to give some updates and be able to share it later on other social media sites. So I have been looking for stocks to continue lower. I mentioned that a couple days ago. What's up, Carrie? There's still, as in front of you, is the SPY. You can see here we're right at the recent lows for the last, what is about 4 or 5 weeks. So indicators are not friendly. Technometers at 43.7, lower right. So not excited about doing any buying yet. Still looking for stocks to buy that are holding up well, doing backups to previous jumps across the creeks. Maybe look at some springs. What's up, old man? And Bitcoin still trading sideways, which it's been doing. We're long with really close stops. Not sure exactly what to think there. I was hoping for a little more strength, but I'm sure the NASDAQ being weak is dragging that down a little bit. But again, we'll watch here. You can see they're on the screen, powered by Oracle Networks. So shout them out. They're sponsoring us for the next 6 months. Nick set that up. If you have any more questions, hit Nick up. Again, here's the SPY ETF. You can see technometer's neutral. Nothing making me to buy yet. I've been looking for lower. We're going to continue to look for that. Let's go to the NASDAQ QQQ ETF. You see the same thing here. Been in a nice downtrend since July 20th or so. Technometer 42.5. Again, no reason to jump in yet. Looks like we're going to keep stepping lower. So we're going to stay with that idea at the moment. That's probably keeping pressure on Bitcoin. Let's go to TLT. I mentioned in my week in review. You can sign up for wyckoffsmi.com. What's up, Bamboo? Buy. You can see here on the TLT. Let's take that chart out of the way. As you can see, it's been pretty good here on green buys, red sells, but we did have a green buy Friday. We are oversold the technometer. I was looking for a rally at least up to that 98.50 level, the previous support. Maybe knock its head on that. So long a little bit of bonds here. We've got the XLE. I've told you I've been long. For now, I'm staying long. Let's bring a 9-month chart up here real quick. You can see I'd earmarked, and I showed this 2 days ago, kind of maybe my roadmap on the green. So far, that's working perfectly. Going to get drugged down probably by the SPY. And then I'm going to add on to my XLE positions. We bought those on June 26th, I believe it was. 78.65, I think the number was. We're trading 87.76. The green there I just added on just to be cute. So we'll see how that works. Again, while we're here, let's go over MicroStrategy. MSTR. Bring up the 1-year chart so we can see the accumulation phase we think we've been in. You can see here again, we traded that a few weeks ago, sold a little bit early, but had a 25% gain, I believe. Right back at those levels, a little bit lower. Nothing telling me to buy quite yet, so I think you can be long here, but let's wait for a little bit lower. What's up, Yannick? Good afternoon. MicroStrategy is holding up here in the last week. If we look at RIOT, MicroStrategy we gave to the crypto Discord at patreon.com/learncrypto. The RIOT trade was actually for my pro traders at wyckoffsmi.com. $40 a month, unless you're a crypto Discord member, then it's 20. So we took a 44% gain out of RIOT. You can see we're lower than where we sold. Again, I think you can be a buyer down here, but I haven't pulled the trigger yet. Yannick, I will do Tesla and Disney. I'll do those actually right now. So RIOT, Micro, Mara, all those, we're going to wait just a little bit longer. Disney, I'd mentioned in my Discord that been an underperformer, as you know, but I thought it was going under probably accumulation still. So chart is not much to brag about. 87.49. Again, I think probably accumulation. Maybe I'd buy that here in the next few trading sessions when I get a buy signal on SPY. Usually we want to buy strength. So not my favorite. Here's Tesla. 233. Again, I mentioned staying on the sidelines, waiting for a little bit better buy setup. So far, that's been the thing to do. We're here at 233. Technometer is 40.9. 37.7 or so is considered for me a little more oversold. So again, I'd be a buyer, but I'm going to wait a little bit longer. Let's look for a little bit lower. What else here? A few stocks I'm looking at. Cisco. Actually, I'm still long this for many of my managed accounts as Schwab. I think Cisco here, 53.31. Coming out of some pretty good accumulation, so I still think Cisco leads us higher. That one might be all right here again in a few days. LSTR, Landstar, it's another one I'm looking at. That one is breaking some previous lows here on a in the last month or so. But again, looks like a lot of accumulation. Looks like a lot of buying on some down volume, so I'm going to like that one here soon, probably. Find out for sure. You're going to have to join the pro traders, wyckoffsmi.com. Here's another one, AVAV I might be looking at. Environmental. This one could be interesting here. Let me go to the 1-year chart here as well. You see, holding up pretty well sideways in the last couple of weeks. One reason why I like it. So again, we'll revisit that here in a few days. One more, and then we're going to crypto. PANW, Palo Alto Networks. Another one looks like coming off accumulation. We're going to be watching this one as well. Got hurt there a little bit a week ago. We're going to watch that. Also, I've got a stock map here I use a little bit. I'm going to show that real quick. I'm sure you've seen the crypto bubbles. We might show that later. Here we've got NVIDIA still having a good day, and Oracle, FSLR under pressure, PayPal under pressure, Wynn Resorts. Quick way to look at some home builders, LEN, DHI still doing well. Now let's go to Bitcoin. Here's a Bitcoin chart. Let's go out a ways here. Go to the 9 months chart. You can see the green arrows where we bought recently. 29,311. Technometer is around 43.65. So again, not real happy with performance here. We got stops a little above break even, so lock in small profits. But if we get stopped out, we'll just be ready to buy it back if we need to here shortly. Wyckoff Weight Crypto Index. Let's look at the technometer there. 43.06. So again, nothing earth-shattering. We are long Bitcoin, Ethereum, SOL. I mentioned XRP, INJ, RNDR, a few other names. Let's look at Ethereum. So we're long with small profits. Same thing here on Ethereum, technometer 41.38. We bought the day of the low there, the last new low, 10 days ago. So again, just long. Would like a buy on stocks and NASDAQ to maybe help propel crypto higher. They were trading like a high beta NASDAQ. That has changed recently. But let's see if that starts back in again. And again, if we go to the crypto bubbles, you can see SHIB is doing very well. We mentioned that at Discord. It was kind of breaking out short term. Down 3.2% today. Rune up 4.8. XDC up 7.5. Not much else to show. If we go to the weekly, there you can see SHIB up 9.6. Pepe up 11. Rune up 53. HBAR up 14. Not much more to add. We've got, usually we show our Elliott wave readings here. Not much to add there either. We've had no change really on things. That chart's got way too much going on. Again, there's many different ways to read this. Let me get my on-bounce volume off of here so the screen will free up a little bit. So there on the Elliott wave, maybe 5 waves up ABC, then another 5 waves up ABC. That would be extremely bullish if that would happen. If we do break down here, then I think maybe we're just going to have a larger ABC down, maybe down to 27.5 and possibly down to 25. So that's what we're going to look at. Nothing for sure here. Nothing high quality confidence. I mean, I thought I wanted to be long. We will watch. Real quick here, let's go to SOL Tether. Let me go to a little longer term chart so we can see more. Throw the 9-month up. Hit that like button if you would, subscribe, tell your friends. Nick and I is talking about, I can zoom him in, but we're talking about maybe still trying to get back to the live show here in the back. We're looking into a Wirecast system. I use Wirecast now, but I need it also behind me, so we're talking about that. SOL, I believe we're long from 23.21, so we got a sell stop right around there. Technometer 44.8. Not really much to add, so we'll watch that. 152. Noah Mines, I'm going to run a quick commercial on the Wyckoff Unleashed course. Let me call a client real quick that is short the SPY. Then I'll be right back here. So give me a minute, 27 seconds.
Welcome to the Wyckoff Stock Market Institute. Our institute was founded in 1931 by technical trader Richard D. Wyckoff, one of the titans of technical analysis. Wyckoff SMI has been the leader in teaching technical trading for the past 91 plus years. Thousands of traders have chosen to learn at Wyckoff SMI for its proven trading techniques and invaluable proprietary market indicators. Enroll today in our Wyckoff Unleashed online course and get access to 39 lessons and quizzes, 8 hours of lectures, our 559-page book, and a comprehensive final exam. You will also receive 90 days free to our Pulse of the Market charting software, as well as our Pro Traders stock groups. One of our alumni says, "In 1956, I became a Wyckoff SMI student under Bob Evans. By learning the Wyckoff method of trading, many have learned to trade intelligently and successfully. Keep up the good work." Or from another, "I value the training I received 4 decades ago from the SMI. Why wait? Register and begin your journey to becoming a successful trader investor. To get the best experience, download our Wyckoff SMI app and get started today."
All right, we're back. Anybody got any BLZ? I'm not sure what BLZ is. Is that on the crypto side, Greg? I'm guessing that's not in my software. I'd have to add it. Not in my software. Let me check on TradingView. BLZ, Tether Perpetual Futures on MEXC. We got BLZ, Tether Binance. Let me slide over to BLZ. I see it looks like obviously some big news here recently. There's a BLZ Tether from 5 cents to over 12, back down to 8. Do not know the action there. And again, it's not my software. I'm sure somebody would know something, but not myself. Let's bring up the SMH here. Let me grab that chart. SMH, semiconductor ETF for Yannick. Technometer 42. You can see we've had a few oversold readings. Technometer, the OP's been sideways since early June, as the correction has been. I mean, yesterday could have been a spring and an uptrend. So again, would watch that one closely. If I get a buy on SPY, QQQ, Probably would jump on SMH for maybe a run back to the highs. While we're doing that, I'm going to bring up XLK. That's the tech ETF. I've got some markings on this thing. You can see here, actually the last marking I had was perfect so far. That was 5 waves ending up there at the highs at 182. I was looking for some type of correction down to previous 4th wave support. We've done that. So definitely a place where it could dig in, turn back higher. We was near oversold, didn't really register it exact. Again, XLK, SMH, probably all those could be good here in the next few days. So again, that would be another new high, another wave 4 pullback, and then another new high. So that's something we'll watch for on XLK. Tech stocks have been leading it. You can see here on the XLK since really April, volume has been turning down, so an oversold tech should be a decent buy point. So we'll watch for that. You're welcome, Yannick and Greg. So that's all I've really got. Nick there, patreon.com/learncrypto, $40 a month for crypto trades, an occasional stock idea like MicroStrategy. Otherwise, if you're interested more in stocks, wyckoffsmi.com, pro traders, $40 a month. If you're already in the crypto Discord at Patreon, then you get in for only $20. Wyckoff Unleashed course. If you're into stocks, you're into crypto, go to learncrypto.io for the Wyckoff and crypto course. That's all I've got. Got a meeting at 3, so I'm going to slide off of here. We'll run a commercial for the crypto Discord, and maybe I manage stocks as well through trading APIs for crypto, and for stocks I manage it through Charles Schwab. So if you're needing any help, don't have time, hit me up. Otherwise, maybe see you tomorrow. So good trading, and be safe. Talk to you later.
Warren Buffett, American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin's stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/learncrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.
Do you personally invest or trade stocks? Then you'll want to gain access to our private Discord channel. By subscribing to our pro traders at wyckoffsmi.com, you'll receive individual stock suggestions based upon the Wyckoff method, review possible trade setups, as well as receive emails when any trade suggestions are given. But if you're too busy to manage your own stock portfolio, consider our private client group at our registered investment advisor, Black Bay Capital Advisors. You'll get the personal touch while we manage your stock portfolio for you through the trusted custodian, Charles Schwab. For an annual fee, you'll have more time to enjoy life while we focus on growing your portfolio. We'll be on the same side of the table, working to help you secure your long-term financial goals.
We'll see you all again
Sleep tight.